Welcome back, everyone. Apple recently rolled out the iOS 17.4 update, and there's one feature that caught my attention: sideloading. However, even after updating my iPhone to iOS 17.4, I found myself unsure of how to use this feature. Let's delve into it. Currently, there's no third-party app store available, but rumors suggest that one called SetApp will launch next month. Consequently, sideloading remains inaccessible for now. Additionally, according to Apple, users outside of Europe cannot utilize this feature. However, there's speculation that Apple will impose certain conditions for enabling sideloading. These conditions include your Apple Idaho settings, billing address, iOS region settings, current GPS location, and device class. All these conditions must align with EU countries' standards for sideloading to be enabled. Though these details are speculative, we can attempt to simulate EU conditions to potentially access sideloading. This involves adjusting your billing address, iPhone region, and GPS location to an EU country. Changing the billing address and iPhone region is straightforward, but altering the GPS location requires a location changer app like iAnyGo. iAnyGo is a versatile iOS and Android device location changer with desktop and app versions. With a few taps, you can change your iPhone's GPS location to an EU country, also enhancing privacy by preventing tracking. If you're unwilling to go through these steps but desire region-limited apps, consider iPhone. iPhone facilitates downloading region-limited apps to your iPhone without an Apple ID. For instance, I could download PUBG Mobile and TikTok from the Indian App Store, where they're unavailable, using iPhone. Now let's revisit the topic of sideloading in third-party app stores. Initially, I was thrilled about the prospect of sideloading, akin to Android capabilities on the iPhone. However, there's speculation that third-party apps still need Apple certification to be uploaded, resembling an iPhone App Store 2.0. It seems Apple may have introduced this feature to address DMA. What are your thoughts on this new feature in third-party app stores? Feel free to share your opinions.